If your AWeber landing page isn't working, whether it's not loading, not capturing leads, or just looking broken, don't worry, you're not alone. AWeber is a solid email marketing tool, but its landing pages can be frustrating. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why yours isn't working and how to fix it. Plus, I'll share a better alternative that not only works more smoothly, but also comes with an exclusive extended free trial, only available through our link. So stick around. First, if your page isn't loading at all, check your domain settings. AWeber lets you use their default URL or connect a custom domain. If you set up a custom domain, make sure your DNS settings are correct. It should point to AWeber servers, and changes can take up to 48 hours to propagate. If you see a security or SSL error, your domain might not have an SSL certificate properly configured, which could prevent visitors from accessing your page. Next, if your landing page looks broken or doesn't display correctly on mobile, AWeber's editor can sometimes be glitchy. If you used a lot of custom formatting, test it in different browsers and on mobile. Some elements may not be fully responsive, especially if you copy-pasted from another editor like Word or Google Docs. Try reformatting it directly in AWeber's builder and keep your design simple. The third issue, if your page isn't capturing leads, could be a problem with form integrations. AWeber's landing pages should automatically connect to your email list, but if you don't see new signups, check your form settings. Make sure the right list is selected and that there aren't any required custom fields missing. Also, some ad blockers or privacy extensions can interfere with AWeber's forms, so test your page in an incognito window. If your page is slow to load, it's usually because of large images or scripts running in the background. AWeber's hosting isn't the fastest, and if you upload high-resolution images, they can slow things down. Compress your images before uploading and avoid using too many external scripts or embedded videos that might drag down your site's performance. And finally, if you're struggling with AWeber's limited customization, that's one of its biggest drawbacks. The editor is basic compared to competitors like GetResponse or System.io, both of which offer more flexibility, better performance, and more modern templates without the same landing page glitches. If AWeber's landing pages are causing you too many issues, I've linked a better solution in the description. Through our link, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial, not just for the best alternative, but also for other top options that fit your needs. Click the link below to get the best deal and finally build landing pages that actually work.